So for this Shavasana, we'll do our cocoon wrap. Sitting in this yogi gym, find your middle handles and move the handle grip aside. Next, you want to make sure that you have enough material to cover your head. And when you do, ease yourself back, draw your knees in, and slip your feet into the middle handles. Allow your arms to fall overhead, or you can keep them crossed over your chest, whichever is comfortable for you. And now just practice letting go for a few moments. Breathing deeply, allow yourself to sink into the material. Let your mind drift, and let yourself go completely limp. So you can remain here 3 to 5 minutes. When it's time to exit Shavasana, begin by just gently drawing your knees into your chest for a few breaths. Scott is going to demonstrate for us how to do a beginner reverse dismount. So to set up for this, he will reach for his middle handles and slip the feet out. You want to make sure that you keep your knees between your arms and you continue to hold on to your handles. With your hands extended away from your head, let your head release over the edge of the sling. Now, the movement is a downward thrust on the handles, drawing your knees into your chest and aiming your feet for your head. As you get ready to lower those feet, open your arms wide like a bird, slowing the dismount, and come standing. Congratulations. You've done your first reverse dismount.